Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a room tour of the Royal Luxury Suite at Excalibur Las Vegas. We got the room 28134 on 28th floor, that's the top floor. And of course there is a toilet like in every other suite. And of course there's a fan, there's a very noisy. You got rooms, doors, so you actually can get joining rooms. In the room you'll find a living room and a little kitchenette where you can have a fridge. It's actually a quite big fridge when we talk about its Vegas. And there's a sink, a little table, there's a TV, a couch, and of course an ottoman that nobody uses. And then we have the view over the Excalibur and over the Strip. Right next door we have the sleeping quarters, where we will find a king-size bed, and we will also find the tub. It's not a hot tub, it's just the tub, so no fancy bubbles or anything, but you can fill it with hot water and it's nice. You got double sinks, you got a toilet and only a toilet. You got a shower next to the big tub, and of course you got your makeup mirrors. Over by the bed you'll find another TV, so you have two TVs in the room. And again you have a window with a view over the Excalibur, and a little chair in the corner. And you can see we have some hand sanitizer because this was just after the coronavirus, so they're probably gonna get rid of those at some point, but right now you get 2 hand sanitizers in this room, 1 in each room. Of course, in the cabinet you will find the safe, so if you are lucky and get any winnings, we were not, then you can safely hide them away in the safe. Also, of course, you will find iron boards, iron, and some hangers. Well guys, thank you for joining me to this tour.